How to create campaigns on Salesforce. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can make a campaign in Salesforce. So what's Salesforce? Salesforce is a CRM management app where you can track and manage your CRM from the templates that are available and from their system over here, and you can create reports and basically keep your CRM on track and keep up. So they have a system of like leads, contacts, accounts, opportunities, products, price books, calendar, analytics, and campaigns. So before diving into campaign, I think we need to understand that the first thing that every CRM management need to do is to track the leads. The leads are the opportunities that the informations that are uh, being retrieved from your company, and from these leads we can categorize them into either opportunities or contacts. So from leads we can convert those leads to products, and likewise for opportunities, in each opportunity we can create the campaigns off of. So opportunities really are the backbone of the campaigns. Okay, so let's go to campaign. Okay, to start, let's create a campaign. And you create campaign by going to the campaigns menu over here and click new. Now, one tip here is that if you don't see any campaigns menu on your tabs here, click the pencil button on the right corner and click add more items, and just search for campaigns in the all available items and search for campaigns. And well, I don't have campaigns here because I already have added the campaign bar, but if you haven't already, you should see the campaigns on the pencil button over here. Okay, so let's move on. Let's click new on the campaigns, and let's name the campaign for us, maybe let's say launching announcement. So we're going to create a marketing campaign um, to announce that we have launched our product or our company. Now we can choose the status to be in progress, completed, aborted, or planned. This will be in the planning stage, so I'll choose planned. It is active. I will check the active box over here, and the type will be, well, you can either choose from all of these options here. For my case, it is an advertisement campaign, so I'll choose advertisement. You can also choose like a seminar, public relations campaign, referral program, and etc. And the parent campaign. Now, if you have a big campaign, like a major campaign, like for, let's say, for example, um, like maybe this launching announcement campaign can be a parent campaign. Now, the parent campaign is useful for you to organize your campaign. So let's say, for example, if you want to create another campaign specifically for, like, new launching discounts, we can create that campaign and we can put this launching campaign as a parent campaign. So let's delete the launching announcement and just make this campaign name launching, and it will be the parent campaign of the, maybe the discounts campaign, the referral code campaign, and etc. And you can also add the description. The planning, we will make this for 1 month, let's say. So this will be a month-long campaign, and we can also set a number sent in campaign, the expected response, the expected revenue, budgeted cost, and the actual cost in campaign. Now you can clear this out at this moment, but you can also add the informations if you have it already. Okay, so let's click save now that we have made our first campaign. Okay, so as you can see, you are prompted to um, these 3 things to get you started on your campaign. You can create a single email template, message template or a blank email campaign. Now, why email? Because Salesforce is actually optimized for email campaigns. So that is why they have a very robust system to help with your email sending um, chores. Okay, so but that is not what I want to show you right now. What I want to show you is how you can link your campaign to opportunities. So, as I said, from opportunities, you can create the campaigns, right? Now, let's say for this opportunity, let's add an opportunity maybe for a sale. Okay, so let's say, for example, US market penetration, maybe, right? And account is the account that is associated with this opportunity. This will be your client. I've added an example account, but if you click add new account, then you will be prompted to fill in the information of your account uh, of the said person's account, which will be again your customer maybe. And the close date, this is a deadline maybe for you to set uh, before closing. So maybe 1 week after this, and the amount maybe like 60,000. You can add description and the status, the stage. Maybe we are in the meet and present. Probability of success, again, just put in your calculated probability percentage. And the forecast, you can choose between omitted, pipeline, best case, commit, or closed. Uh, I think the forecast will be commit over here, so God willing. All right, now we've added a new opportunity. Let's click save. And now, once we are in the opportunities tab, as you can see, you have like a visual representation of the opportunity progress so that you can keep track of everything. This is the beauty of Salesforce. Now, as you can see, we have qualified. We are in the meet and present stage. Um, so naturally, we will be enabled to have more of a bird's eye view of this opportunity. Now, what I want to talk about is how we connect it to our campaign, right? Okay, so to do that, let's go ahead and go to, well, it should be available on the left-hand side menu over here under details, but as of now, I think I do not have it available currently. But if you do, just choose our launching campaign. Now, the last thing that I want to tell you is how to generate reports from this campaign. And to do that, just go ahead and click reports over here and search for reports. Now, alternatively, you can go to analytics and look up your campaign from there by looking at our campaign. Now, if we have already opened our campaign, and if our campaign is already running, you should see the analytics over here. So that is all from me. Thank you.